In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix AGI error in TurboTax, step by step. If you're trying to e-file and you keep seeing an AGI mismatch, don't worry. This is one of the most common and easiest issues to resolve. Your adjusted gross income, or AGI, from last year is used by the IRS to confirm your identity. If the number you entered doesn't match what the IRS has on file, your return will be rejected until it's corrected. Here's how to fix it quickly inside TurboTax. Start by opening your return and clicking File. This takes you to the final review and submission area, where TurboTax bundles everything and gets it ready for e-file. Next, go ahead and try to submit your return. TurboTax will transmit it to the IRS. If everything matches, you'll get an acceptance notice, but if it's rejected, you'll see a message explaining why. When that happens, open the error message. Look for wording that mentions AGI, prior year AGI, or identity verification. TurboTax will usually point you to the specific field that needs updating and may provide a short explanation of what went wrong. Now, enter the correct AGI from last year. Use the exact number from your prior year federal tax return. You'll find it on your Form 1040 as adjusted gross income. Make sure you're using the AGI from the original return that was filed and accepted, not a later corrected figure. If you filed jointly last year, confirm that the value you enter matches what the IRS has for that return. Type it in carefully, including dollars and cents if shown, and avoid rounding unless your form rounds it. Click Continue to save the change and exit the error screen. TurboTax will validate the entry and return you to the filing flow. Finally, resubmit your return. TurboTax will retransmit it with the corrected AGI. After you send it, keep an eye on your email or the app for status updates. Rejections are usually resolved within minutes once the correct AGI is entered, but it can take a few hours during peak times. That's it. Click File, try to submit, open the rejection message if you get one. Enter the correct AGI from last year, click Continue, and resubmit. With the right AGI in place, your e-file should go through smoothly. If you found this helpful, make sure your records for last year's return are handy for future filings, so you can avoid this hiccup next time.